Okay, in our next problem, we have an area of land, the common land, that is 10 feet by 10 feet. So in order to find area equals length times width. So the area of the entire common land would be 10 times 10, 100 feet squared. So now I look over at Geo's notes and it says they want to plant shrubs, those are bushes, on a rectangular area a little more than half of the common land area. So it has to be a rectangle and they want it to be more than half. So half would kind of go right through the words common land. More than half would be about right here. You can see I still have my rectangle. So this is all the part that they would plant shrubs. All in this section right here. And over here, this whole rectangular area would be where they would put the shrubs. So now I look at Geo's second notes right here. It says one side of the shrub section has a length greater than 8 feet and less than 9 feet. So this part would remain the same. And this is the side that's the whole side is 10. So you can see the shrub part is less than that. It has to be between 8 feet and 9 feet. And I know that 8.5 is between 8 feet and 9 feet. So now using my formula, area equals length times width, they want to know what is the area where Geo and his neighbors will plant shrubs. So I will do 10 times 8.5. And I can do that down here. 10 times 8.5. If I write 8.5 as a decimal, I can write 8.5. And I'm going to let you multiply that out yourself. I'm going to remind you that when you multiply, this number has to high five everyone above it. Then you need a placeholder. And then this number has to high five everyone above it. And then when I get to my answer, I count how many hops there were in the problem, in this case 1, and then I would do 1 hop in my answer. I could have also done 10 times 8.5 and left 8.5 as a fraction. So 10 over 1 times 8.5. And I'm going to change that into an improper fraction. And I do that by multiplying. 8 times 2 is 16, and add 1 is 17. So I have 17 halves. And then I multiply the tops, and I multiply the bottoms, and then I would divide my top divided by my bottom, and I will get the exact same answer as if I did it this way.